On the menu tonight is Monterey chicken pasta. It's a great combination of chicken, soups, cheese, spinach. It's delicious. You're going to want to make this one. The ingredients you're going to need are black pepper, cream of chicken soup. I got the one with herbs. I've got onion powder, chicken bouillon. I've got crispy onions. I've already cut up my chicken. I've got Parmesan cheese, sour cream, fresh garlic. In the back here I've got spaghetti, but you can use any kind of pasta, baby spinach, extra virgin olive oil, and Monterey Jack cheese. Okay, we're going to start with our chicken, which I have already cut up into small cubes. I have 2 chicken breasts here, and now I'm going to add our seasoning. This is chicken bouillon. It has no salt in it, so I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Now, if yours already has salt in it, you're not going to need to add any salt. And Mark's favorite, pepper. Going to add oil to the pan. While that's going on, I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. My pan's still warming up a bit. Here we go. All right, let's add our chicken. Okay. While the pasta is cooking, I'm going to combine all the other ingredients, and then we'll add the spaghetti at the end. You can use any pasta you want. I just wanted to use thin spaghetti tonight. So here's my chicken. It's now cooked. I ended up cutting it into smaller pieces because the pieces I had were just too big. So start with half of our Parmesan cheese. The other half is going to be at the end. Half of our mozzarella cheese. Half of our French fried onions or crispy onions. I'm going to go ahead and give these a stir a little bit. And you're going to need to have the biggest bowl that you own because this makes a lot. Okay. Next, our fresh garlic. This is our onion powder. And stir again. That smells good. Okay, sour cream. And our 2 cans, just keep an eye on my spaghetti, our 2 cans of soup. Now if you just want to do regular cream of chicken, that's fine. And I've got baby spinach. Whoops. So I know it looks like a lot. It will cook down. No, I should have used my bigger bowl.
Time to get it out.
Just this one's glass. The white one's the biggest one. You just can't see through it.
Bigger bowl. Allow me to help. Ooh, that smells good.
Oh, pretty good job. Let me get, we got a little bit left here. Yeah, because we still have spaghetti to add to it, so what I wanted to show you, it's going to go in our 9 by 13 dish, which we are going to spray. Okay, now it's time to add the spaghetti, the thin spaghetti. Okay, I'll spread that out and then I'll get the rest on top.
Now what?
Now we're going to top it with our remaining Parmesan cheese. And our Monterey Jack cheese. Now, if you decide you want to use more cheese, I'm sure that will be fine. And the last thing we're going to add is some more crispy onions. Do it with my hand. Now, you don't need to cover this to go into the oven unless you think the onions are starting to burn a little too much, or get a little too brown. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, it's going into the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. And there it goes. I'll split the difference and do 35. Okay, now we're gonna wait. And I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. I can't wait to try the Monterey chicken pasta.
Smells delicious.
I think it needs more onions on top myself.
Probably.
Yeah, I would use more of those fried onions.
Mm-hmm. Chicken, very tasty. I think it needs more pasta water.
Yeah. I was gonna say, I'm glad.
Did you save some?
No.
Okay.
Sorry, I poured it out.
Yeah, you're definitely going to need more water in it.
Okay.
For tomorrow, for tonight, it's great. Mm-hmm. This is delicious.
Don't forget, we have new recipes every Sunday. The recipe's in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Nice. I like it.